got a couple of swans over there. They're just right in the basking right in the sunshine where the sun hits the water. Don't know if we'll be able to get them on film for you guys or not. We've got a boat that's been coming in, probably been out for the day. Been a beautiful afternoon today. Might go and have a cup of tea with my mate who's a member over here at the yacht club. $50 for a year, and you can go in and have a cup of tea, cup of coffee. Doesn't cost you anything once you've paid your membership. You can overlook the river every day if you like for the whole year for $50. Go up and have a meal. Pretty damn good. Beautiful day, walking their dogs. It's almost May. Sensational. It's been about 27 degrees today. Blue sky. Crystal clear waters. I'm sure other parts of the world would love to have water as clear as this. Look, you can see the bottom there. And you know, we're very lucky to have this this waterway here. I guess where the ocean meets the river, it's great. They just come in, and it works as a washing machine, as a cleansing action for the river to keep it nice and clean. I'll see if I can get these swans again in a moment. Dogs cruising along, having a play. I think I might know this guy out here. We'll go have a look. There's a boat out over there with their drop nets, doing a bit of crabbing. These swans, they're still in the sun over there. I don't think we've got them on camera here for you folks. It's a nice fish. Look, this young lady just landed a nice little flathead here. You got a flathead, eh?
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, they're good.
Are they?
The best eating fish you can get.
Really? Do you want it?
No. I've just been up north in Kalbarri for a week, catching them a bit bigger than that, so yeah.
Do they have to be a lady size?
Yeah, they do, but yeah. Might be a bit small, I think.
Probably is.
Absolutely. How you going?
Hi, how are you?
Any around?
I don't know. I just came to try.
Yeah.
You ever been here?
Yeah, I come down here a bit. Yeah,
Catch any?
yeah. You normally get a few.
They're getting few, is it?
Sometimes I don't know. Just sometimes they're here, sometimes they're not here. You know.
Because I haven't come here for a long time.
Yeah. Sometimes they're here and they run. If you get them, they'll be big though. This time of the year,
Is it?
they'll be big.
Who's that? You have to try to get it, eh?
Oh yeah, if you haven't got your nets in the water or your bait in the water, you got no chance, have you?
Exactly. So anyway, it's a beautiful day. So I'm just thinking.
Yeah, you might go all right. You might get a few. It's perfect for it, you know.
It's nice and warm today, so I don't know. It's up to
I'm sure you'll get a few. You'll get a few.
well, I don't need many. Only a couple.
Yeah, they get pretty big this time of the year. So if you get them, you'll probably get 3 or 4 big ones, you know,
Yeah,
which is better than 6 small ones, you know.
well, we have to measure it first day.
You won't need to measure them, I doubt it. Oh, there'll still be a few small ones around, but yeah. So this lady just caught a beautiful little flathead here. Beautiful tasting fish, those flathead. I don't think she's keeping it for bait somehow. I've got a feeling she's going to eat that one. I think she wants a feed. That's our off a fishing boat, off a fishing car, or kayak I should say. Raring to go. Let's go for a walk along here. We'll come back and see if that guy's got any crabs later. Give you guys a glimpse of how clean the water is. Absolutely beautiful. Don't know where those swans have gone. We might have them on video, I'll see. Look at these for boats. Absolutely brilliant boats. I think it's time Offer Fishing invested in one. Still trying to find the swans, but can't find any. Little baby magpie. I walk down here a little bit, yeah. So, yeah, I walk down here a lot, but sometimes they're here, sometimes they're not here. But if they're here this time of the year, they're pretty big.
Is it?
Yeah.
4 is enough for me.
Yeah. Well, if they're here, you know, but you might...
I can see people there.
They're out a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Off here is the best. Whenever I've seen the big ones caught, straight out there. There must be a channel off that corner there.
That's right there, but what's happened, if you throw it now, you know the sack, you know the bird?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
That's why I'm waiting here to see the sun come down a little bit.
Exactly.
But I'm already grabbing few boats there.
You kind of get the feeling they might be out there, don't you?
Yeah. Well, see, what's happening is, you see that triangle there?
Yes.
That they used to call it Kara Bank.
Correct.
And I don't know why they don't use it there, because I know it's very shallow and comes deep.
Between there and here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like they were getting more on the side there.
Yes. Oh, they might not have long enough rope. When it gets deep, you've got to have a long rope out there. Yeah.
Well, used to go to
Yeah. Oh, I've done a little bit of that. Yeah, it's too hard.
and another good spot I found was the last spot.
Trying to have where that boat is. Yeah. So you used to climb down Blackwall Reach, didn't you?
Yeah.
And what, throw your net off the rocks? Yeah, because it's about,
That's where my rock is based.
yeah, 'cause it's about 90 foot there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's not many jetties in there.
No, it's not.
I don't know why. You know, brewery, you used to be good.
Can't get onto the brewery anymore.
No, you have to pay back.
You have to what?
Pay back.
Well, I got kicked off there in January
Why?
because it's now a private jetty by the people that buy the units there. No, they had a security guard there that came and threw me and a mate off. We were crabbing there.
Really?
Yeah. Because I saw a guy catching really big crabs there that morning. So I went there, he came and threw us off. I don't think I liked it because I was having dinner there and then there we were crabbing, you know, at the restaurant.
That's right, because this belongs to the public.
Correct.
Yeah. All the shores here, you know where the fence is.
Yeah.
Fence is okay, but this side of the river belongs to the public. Even here, you can go there.
Well,
I don't know.
what do you do? You know, like...
And then Applecross is good jetty, you know. And now the Applecross jetty is only from there to there, it's just very narrow. It's only
Yeah.
2 people that can go there. But
Yeah.
before they have, you know, the old path, the old bath blanks.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. People used to fish a lot there, but I write a letter. I've got to talk to the council. It says, we're going to fix it. We have only $5,000 for this year. Rubbish. I've never done it.
Yeah. But yeah, no, so they won't let you on. Well, if you go there at night, they'll have a security guard there, mate. You won't get on.
But it's can't believe it. Belongs to the public.
And they're doing repairs on it anyway, so they just say sorry, get off because.
It's not repairs. There's brand new jetty there.
Correct.
I understand there's not many parking there. The parking is for the restaurant, fair enough. But you can park, what is it? Opposite the.
Well, what they're doing is they're selling the units with exclusive use of the jetty, which is wrong.
Cycle path. I don't mind. I mean, it's a sport there, but also a sport for us. You know, you can't see things here.
So you put a couple of nets in, have you? You put a couple of nets in.
One because I got
the cover. Look, here he is.
no, this one. This one is right. He wants to get.
Let's video this little guy, eh?
He wants the fruit. Somebody's feeding him. So that's where he came here.
Look at him coming to get fed.
Yeah,
Awesome.
beautiful bird.
Aren't they? Look how close he is. Wow.
They're very young too.
He's just a young one?
The one of the old ones with the white stripes on the side.
The swans were pretty friendly. They were on the...
See the white stripe there?
Yes?
It's small.
That means they're young, does it?
When it gets bigger, you know, it's the white distinction becomes better. What is a couple of years ago, it was a few babies in the Narrows Bridge.
Yes.
Yeah, but I never see them.
You're not afraid, are they? They come here to get fed and they get the... They're on the bank. I was really close to one of them, probably one of his mates anyway, but just last week. Just
when
at...
the people start feeding them.
Yeah, they know.
Because
Yeah.
they keep coming. They keep coming to the same spot.
Yes.
You know? And of course, you know, if people don't let to feed them,
That's right. They get hand-fed.
years ago it was a block from down in Belmont. There was an old guy who used to have a sack of boiled bread and he used to feed them. But I don't know if they're still there or not.
Sensational. They're beautiful, aren't they? But yeah, and they came right up onto the bank last week. I was having a cup of coffee with a friend of mine at the yacht club. And they just came right up and stood there, just almost like a dog getting a pat.
Yeah, see there where the bot is?
Yes, they're getting fed there.
A couple there?
Yep.
Yeah. They must give him the food there.
Yeah, they're right at the boat, aren't they?
Against the sun.
Coming in for an afternoon feed.
Very hard to get a photo.
It is. There you go.
White stuff there.
Yeah,
When it gets older, you can see the whole strip of white.
a lot wider. Okay. Who taught you that? How did you know that?
Because I'm living very close to Narrows Bridge.
Okay.
So I'm fishing for years there.
And you see them.
So I've seen them many times there.
Yeah.
So dolphins, you know, dolphins coming in here.
Oh, they come right up to the shore, almost.
Yeah, they come through there, chase the mullets.
Yeah.
They're going out and then keep going.
They go in between the pylons under the jetty.
Yeah, they do, yeah. They're very clever. Where was it? Last week I saw them in Belmont. Two of them, about 3 o'clock. They were coming out.
Yeah, I just got back from fishing up in Kalbarri, so I like going up there for the big tailor. You know, it's a bit hard to get enthused again down here.
Well, it's a nice spot in Kalbarri.
Yeah.
I fished for years, and you have to go very, very inside in the river. You get the boat, you get out of the boat, you walk about 20 meters to get the bank out, and then you pass in. It's a very deep area there.
Across the other side of the...
Inside. No, not on the mouth. The other side. You know, going inside the river.
Yes.
Is when you go with a boat, you know, you start getting shallow.
Yeah.
So you have to walk from here up to the post there.
Yeah.
Then start the motor again. And
Yeah.
after that, it's getting deeper.
Yes.
And there's a place there, mountain like this, and it's dropped down. Wow, what a fishing there. Beautiful.
That's not what they call red rocks, is it?
Yeah, up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we fished with my mate, not now, years ago. And used to be beautiful big breams there.
Yeah.
But it's at night time, there's a lot of centipedes. They're running everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. And mosquitoes. Yeah.
We have the gas lamp and can see
Yes.
the centipedes going through my legs. Hey, what's going on here? You know?
Yeah.
But we didn't have any problem because we didn't touch them or anything. We just let them run.
Yeah. But the bream are big, aren't they? They're great. They're great
Very
fighting.
big, yeah. Very big. Now there's a law, I think. I just read the book the other day. You only take 6.
Yeah, well, fair enough. That's enough.
Yeah. But if you can get them, most of them is 22, 23.
Yeah.
They're not the 25. It's very hard to get a 25.
I got a 41 centimetre up there about 5 or 6 years ago.
I got 50.
Oh, did you really?
No, I didn't register.
No. That's like a snapper,
I
isn't
thought
it?
I thought it was a bloody mallow.
Yeah, you'd think it, yeah.
And when I got it very close, and I thought, so the snapper, I can't believe it.
Yeah.
When I brought him out, because it was dark, you know, I saw him black rim.
So you weren't fishing in the boat then, you were at the side?
I saw my dog.
Yeah, but you weren't fishing in the boat. You
No.
get out there, don't you, and go and stand on the shore? Yeah. But on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, I know where you are.
No, I never.
It's a few kilometres down the river, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big brims. Even here is big brims if you want.
Yeah.
Determined to fish for them. I know people catch a big halfway on the jetty.
Yeah.
Casting out there. But they're not big.
Yeah.
See, years ago, all this area was a lot of prawns. River prawns.
Yeah.
You know the river prawns?
Yeah.
Stacked.
I know we used to do it as kids, not anymore.
Cobham jetty was good.
Netherlands, foreshore.
Now, prawns are very hard to get. Even a couple of this there.
Slowly getting better though now. Slowly. At least the river's moving. It's fresh around here. It's
It does, but all I need is to flush out.
yes.
I remember when the river really get flush out, you know, really you can see it is so brown colour.
Yeah.
And it flush out about 3 kilometres out. After that, get a lot of fish after that.
Yeah.
Get a mulloway.
But you get a mulloway then.
Mullets,
Yeah.
big bullets, you know, the whole lot. But those days we have a very dry season.
Yeah, I think those days are gone.
And that's just a lot of people.
A lot more people.
I remember I used to fish on the Narrows Bridge. There's nobody there. Nobody's fishing from the shore. Nobody.
Not anymore.
8 o'clock, it was dead.
Mm.
Absolutely dead, 8 o'clock. And I fish up to 11 o'clock. Every second weekend I used to catch a Malawi.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is that right? You wouldn't
Yeah.
get it now.
You still get now, but you're looking 1 in
Long wait.
100.
It's a long wait. Yeah,
No,
exactly.
It's one. It's only the Malaways. They're moving two together, right? The pairs.
Yeah.
So if you catch one, the possibility to catch another one.
Yeah.
But now, those days, you see, in that spot, for instance, you have 20 people. So it's only 2 fish that kind of pass through.
Yeah.
So if you're lucky, one of you will probably catch it. Yeah?
Exactly.
But in 1968, 69, Canning Bridge, it used to produce soppies.
Yeah.
You know, which is
Yeah.
that size.
Yeah.
Size,
Mm.
half a meter. There used to be a lot there. You know, they're coming in. You know, not now. I don't know what. See, climate's changed.
Everything's
you know,
changed. Yeah.
More people.
I was born in 1969, so I know it was 44 years ago. Yeah. Just a few years back.
Would
Yeah.
you live in the Narrows Bridge to get a seal, you know? A seal?
A seal, yeah.
I was fishing from the shore, nobody on the shore. I was myself, I have my rods here. And then I can see, I said, oh, it's dolphin. And suddenly, how it came so fast next to me. I was sitting, say, on the stool here, and it just came in along here to rest. Boy! He was, you know, the big teeth too?
Yeah, and the whiskers. Yeah.
No whiskers. That
No
big
whiskers.
Teeth. The teeth, the type of, you know,
Yeah.
the big teeth, you know, like.
Yeah.
And I just ran back, you know, left everything, roads, the whole lot, and I just waited 3/4 of an hour to go out again.
Yeah, you would have scared the fish off.
No, really, because that night I put them away too. Using squid, the whole squid.
Yeah.
I didn't have it last day. So, yeah. I got a lot of Malaways, but I spent hours and hours. You know, say for instance,
Dedication. Yeah.
fishing for Malaway here, probably stay up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
You get 1 or 2 runs.
Yeah.
And if you're lucky,
Yeah.
you know, because they're big river, they just
Yeah, sure.
goes everywhere. Then the harbour used to be good too. You know, Shed,
Yeah. Yeah.
Centennial.
They still get a few down there.
Yeah, I used to have a fly,
Yep.
you know,
Flying gaff, yeah.
but used to go with my friend, but now he doesn't go anymore. So you needed 2 people from that side, you know, to help, you know, if you landed one.
Yeah, sure.
Stingrays. Big stingrays, you know, just landing on the surface, but then cut the line on.
Yeah, I was down at Hamlin Bay, down in between Augusta and Margaret River a few weeks back. There's some beautiful big stingrays there. You know, it's a sanctuary down there now.
Well, stingrays has been a pest, I think.
Yeah, sure.
But the other way, you test your ear.
Yeah.
You know what line you put.
You're going to know whether it's going to work or not, aren't you?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. I using only 25 pounds when I fish for the big one. And 30 pounds for the rig. That's all. And I landed and stingrays and shovel nose.
Yes. Well, that's right.
But
He's got a blowy over there, that guy. Plenty of blow. But that hasn't changed. There's still plenty of blowies around it during the day.
Blows is a pest, really.
Oh, they're terrible, aren't
It's not a, okay, people say, oh, why you destroy or whatever, and clean up the river. It doesn't. It eats the, oh, there, the fellows too.
they? Okay. Hey guys. Look at that, they're talking. I've never heard them make noise before.
See, this is magic, yeah?
Yes.
You can see the white feathers.
That's amazing noise they make. They're talking, saying, where's our fish? Feed us now. It's 10 to 5, it's our dinner time.
Actually, I think this one is a male, and that one maybe female, this one. Maybe young male too. They're both young too.
Yes.
You can see on the back there, they have very, very fluffy feather. Feather legs as well as
Sorry guys, we've got no food for you. You're going to have a fish as well, are you?
nighttime you might get some, what do you call it?
Taylor.
No, not type of mackerel.
Yeah.
Like a family of sardine type.
Yeah.
They're quite big like this. So I usually buy it because they're all bones.
Yeah.
But it's good fun to catch.
Yes.
If they can.
All those slimy mackerel or whatever it is they call them.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
It's not for eating, it's just for
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah. I've never heard the noises they make before. Sorry guys, no food for you.
The only thing I'm getting annoyed, a lot of people having a lot of lines.
Oh yeah, it's disgusting.
And lines everywhere. Even in Belmont I go, I have to collect about a dozen of different type of lines.
Yeah.
I can't understand. You know,
They don't care, mate.
The bin's next to it, right? Roll them up, throw in the bin.
They don't care, mate. That's the youth.
I can't believe it. You know, really. Pity I don't have a bread.
Yeah, they're talking to us.